Hi, and welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today's video is a little bit different. It was just something that caught my attention yesterday when I was browsing the internet, and I just thought it was worth talking about. A few weeks ago, I started to see a lot of advertisements for this pen on Facebook and Instagram. So I have reviewed a lot of e-painter pens, or they're also known as vacuum pens. For people that don't know about them, they don't use wax or putty or glue dots or anything like that. They actually use suction. So they suck the drills into the tip. They either have a separate pump and a tube that goes to the pen, or like this one, the pump is built into the pen so we don't have any hose coming off it. So I saw it and I thought, okay, I haven't reviewed this one, so I ordered it. It arrived and it didn't work. It wouldn't power on, and I thought, okay, the battery's probably dead. I've just got it. I tried plugging it in, it wouldn't charge. So I contacted the company, said to them, just got this pen, I can't get it to work. They got back to me that day, said, sorry about that, we will send a replacement. And they sent me the tracking number. So instant reply, or pretty much instant, and replaced it. So that isn't what this video is about. Yesterday, I was browsing the internet and just casually looking through diamond painting stuff as usual, and I saw a diamond painting company advertising this pen. So I had a look at it. It is exactly the same pen. The packaging, the box is different, but the actual pen is the same. It's a very unique design. So I looked at the price. Now, I ordered this from the company who was advertising on Facebook, and I paid $35 for it. The one that I saw yesterday, they were asking $71.99. So I thought, okay, I'm just going to post this video to say, if you see this sort of pen or this design, it's very unique, and you're thinking about getting one, make sure you check the price before you hit that buy button. You should be paying around $35, not $71.99. That is all the video is about. I just thought I want to get it out there just so people aren't paying twice what they should be paying. Just when you look at prices for things, just check the price if you can find it in other places. That is pretty much it. So if you don't know about the e-painter pens, or the vacuum pens as they're also called, I will put a playlist at the end of this video. You can click on that and you can see all of the e-painter pens that I have reviewed so far. This one is actually an upgrade of this. I did a review of this one, so you can actually watch the video and I'll talk about the pen and what I thought of it. It has since been redesigned. This is the new model. So the new one is on its way, and I will be posting a video as soon as I get it. Hopefully it works this time. But as I said, I had no problems with the company. They very quickly said, sorry about that, we'll send you a new pen. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, so buyer beware. So that is it. Thanks for watching. If you remember to subscribe and hit the notification button, you will catch the review of this pen when I get it. So that's it. Very short video for me. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.